Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Study with Code Developer MT. Can you please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel before I proceed study with you a domain class diagram. Today I'm willing to study with you a domain class diagram. As you see, we are giving the scenarios that you will read through it and find the solution, how we can draw the domain class diagram. What is the domain class diagram? A domain class diagram is a diagram that includes class from the problem domain. It is not a software classes. It does not include the method. You have to always remember that a domain class diagram only include the name of the class and also the attributes. What are the attributes? In programming, the attributes are the variables. What is the attribute? The attributes is the definition of attributes is one piece of the information about the instance of a class. So, and then when you're drawing the domain class diagram, you have to remember that domain class diagram has the relationships. There are three types of relationship, which is association relationship, whole parts relationship, and also a generalization relationship. As I said, when you are drawing the domain class diagram, you have to include the name of the class and also the attributes, which are your variables. The attributes is this piece of information that you need. What is a class? We have to understand what is the class. The class is the types of classification used to describe a collection of a class. As I gave you the types of relationship, you have to remember what types of relationship. When you are drawing the domain diagram, you have to understand that the relationship. You have to understand the relationship and also what kind of multiplicity. The multiplicity, there is a star and there is one. There is one or many. This star is on the top. It's like this, star on the top, not star on the bottom like this. No, just on the top. And then one too many, 0 to 1, or 0 too many. Here is say many, 1 too many. It's optional. 0 to many, not 0 to 1. It's 0 to many here. 0 to many and optional. So you have to remember this, the types of multiplicity. Okay, another thing you have to remember when you are drawing the domain diagram, do not ignore method. I will show you how you can draw the domain diagram before the end of the video. So another thing you have to know, the domain diagram has two types of technique. There are two types of technique. What are those technique? Are the noun technique and also the brain storming technique. There are two types of domain class technique, which is the noun and also the brainstorm technique. What is a noun technique here? Noun technique here is identify all the noun that come up with the system is described and determine if each is a domain class attribute or not something we need to remember. What is the brainstorming technique here? This technique here, brainstorming technique, it is used to check all the checklist of all usually type of thing typically found and brainstorm to identify a domain class or of each type. So I will choose one of a scenario, harvesting one of the scenario in this document, then we will try to draw a domain class diagram. So the scenario that I will choose this distribution scenario. Okay, I will choose the distribution scenario. Okay, what I will look for, as I explained before, I said domain class diagram, it's we only look for the noun, and then the noun we have to describe how it look like. Remember what the attributes are the one piece of information about the class. Let me say, for the example programming, we always create the class. This is the name of the class. Let's just say the class is a car. When you are creating the class, the car, think about the car, how the car look like. The car, we will need the color of the car. The color of the car. The car can be red, can be blue, can be yellow. The number of wheels. The number of wheels can be 4, can be 6. If it's a truck, it's 6. The car, shall I lie? Sorry. Okay, the name, let me say not the car, I will use the vehicle. Okay, vehicle, so that we understand the color, the number of wheels, and also here I will use the how like the car, and then what it looks then the number of seats because it may happen the car has 2 seats, 4 seats. Yes. And then what else we describe more about the class. The attribute is describe more about the class. So what we are trying to do, the vehicle, what the color of the vehicle, maybe the yellow, and then we can say the vehicle type. The vehicle can be a normal car, can be a truck, can be a van, something like that. Okay, another example that I will make for you when you are creating the domain class diagram, think about another thing. Let me say in this scenario we find the noun that we call a person. A person is the name of the class. How the person, well, how we can describe the person? The person we can describe about the skin color. Okay, and then their eyes, how they look, like, the hands. You can describe anything about the person. Another example I can make for you, I can describe about the bag. Let me say the bag, the unique idea of the bag, how the bag look like, maybe about the color of the bag, and you can also look on the bag, like, doesn't its size, it's big or small, Another example that you can describe about the bag. The bag, you can look about, does it have the weight of the bag, the weight of the bag. So these are the old example that you can use when you are drawing your domain diagram. So now we are here, we will read through this scenario and understand what actually we are looking for. First, I will use the noun technique where I am looking only the noun. After finding the noun, and then I will able to draw my domain diagram. First, I will list all the nouns that I'll find in this scenario of distribution. After finding them, all the noun, then I will try to draw the domain diagram. Remember, not all the noun that you will find in the scenario that will make it last, but you have to choose one of the noun that is good for you, one of the noun that will align with the scenario. Not all noun are necessary when you are drawing your domain diagram. So here I am, the distribution. Okay, here I am, the distribution. So here I will highlight all the noun with you. First, I will look as I will say distribution. This is the name of the system, and I'll know here in the scenario it's talk about the distribution. What actually happened in a distribution? You have to know that every scenario that you read, you have to understand what the scenario is all about. But here with this scenario is all about distribution. Tech-draw hydroponics work with the locally distributions and deliver the service to get its produce to customer. The customer, it is a noun. As quickly as possible. Refrigerated delivery driver. This is a truck. It's also a noun. Pick up the package goods. That's the package. It's a noun. From the farm. The farm is the place. It is a noun. Remember, noun are the naming words. It can be an object. It can be a person, the name of the person. Remember, what is a noun? Okay, let's continue. And distributed them into a locally grocery store. This is a store. Restaurant, also the place. And the farmers markets. That is farmers markets. Okay, I'll underline too. For a long distance delivery, the produce is shipped in a climate controlled vehicles to ensure that it is remaining fresh throughout transits. Every shipment is logged into the company digital tracking system. Allow the customer and partners to monitor delivery in a real life. Then again, I'm reading through again until I understand it does all the noun that I want is there. It will help me to identify, to help me to able to draw my domain class diagram. So again, I'm reading again. Distributions. Tech-draw hyperdropic work with a local distributions delivery service to get the produce to customer as quickly as possible. Refrigerated delivery delivery trucks pick up the package from the farm and distributes from the local grocery store, restaurant, and farmer markets. Okay. For long distance delivery, the produce is shipped. Then the shipped, the other thing of the noun, okay, in the climate control vehicle to show that it remains fresh throughout the transit. Every shipping is logged into the company display into the company digital tracking system, allow the customer and partner to monitor a delivery in real life. So now I'm here now. I want to draw my domain diagram. First, okay, what I have here, I have the customer. Let me go and draw so that you'll understand. What I have here, I have the customer. Okay. First thing I have the customer. The customer, what another thing that I think is gonna help me. The customer, okay. The other thing that's happening is the crack. I have the track. Again, I have a crack. Okay. When I have the customer, think about the customer. The customer, it can be what the customer, I'll find what the name of the customer. When you're creating the class, you will look for the customer name. And what other thing that you can look, the customer ID. And what other thing that you can look at, the customer address. Where this package will deliver from. We need the address, because here we are talking about the delivery service to get produce the customer. Then we need the address, and also we need the customer emails where they can see their delivery is delivered. So another thing we need a crack. In the crack we need we're looking for something like type of the track. What track we will use, the type of the track, and also we need the track ID. And what else we'll look for in the track? In the track, we'll look for the pickup of the package. We are not talking about the package, but the track, the type of things. We don't need the color because we are dealing with the packaging here. The type of the track, the track ID. Think about else then yes. For now, I don't think about anything that I would describe more about the track. So okay. Then I will go for in a package. Think about the package. The package, it's like the package, a type of package, what else we'll look for in the package? We'll look for what? The package ID, the unique package. Other, the package details, about not the package but distribution, the package description, package description. Okay, what else from the farm? Think about the farm, how the farm will look like. A farm, what the farm ID. What else? The farm ID, the location of the farm, where the farm is located, location. And also think about the customer. Okay, I can use the location part is fine because we have an address. So the farm location. What else we will need in the farm ID, farm location. What is where the farm is located? Then distributions. Okay, we have something that distribution. Under distribution, okay, first under distribution, I don't distributes. Distribution is also another noun, but for now I'll focus on this one. Under distribution, okay, well, I can include the distribution because we have the store, the restaurant, they list all the things, the farm, markets. So then I will say the type of type of farm. There are different types of farm. They can be a farm for crops, the farm for other plants, farm for animals. So okay, and then what else we're doing in the distribution? Then we have in the distribution we'll find the type of shops or store. What else you can look? The distribution ID. What else we can look for? I can look for what? The other thing that I can look in the distribution. When a distribution, okay, yeah. For now I'll get these two things. And then for a long distance, then we're looking for delivery. This one, the delivery. Okay. And then delivery, then the type of delivery, no, the delivery. Okay, instead of the delivery, I think that we should use is a shipping in the climate control very high here. Okay, delivery can include this one. Then every shipping is logged into the company system. Then the system, the system is like it can able to make you log in and also able to allow the customer and the parser to monitor deliver in real time. So let me draw for it for you, and then maybe you'll understand what I was trying to do. Okay, first I'll erase everything here so that you will understand. Alright, here we have this thing, and then okay, I have another one here. Okay, what else I will have? First I will have the customer, and then I will have another one. Okay, so as much here I say to you, I will have a customer, okay, here I will have a customer, and here I will have customer. So I make a mistake. The other thing you have to take note here, when you are drawing the domain diagram, remember that the first letter of a class always the capital letter. So here I made a mistake. I should do something like this and make this customer to be the first letter of the class is the capital letter, because capital letter is matter when you're drawing the domain diagram. And then when you're writing the attributes, must start with the small letter. Is you see customer, I will say ID. You use the camel back technique here when you are writing the name of another thing you have to understand here, okay, another thing you have to understand here, we have a customer ID. Think about the name of the customer, their address where this package was delivered from, and also we'll have the, what else, we'll have their email address. Their email address. So this is the other thing that you need to do. What else? The crack. We have the crack. Okay, again, and we have the crack. We have the crack. As I said here to you, here the type of the track, and also the track ID, and what else, the size of the track is very important to know the size of the track. So now we will look for, here we'll have a size of the track, or you say track ID, size, track size. Another thing, you remember that's the, what else, size of the track, the size, the track type, the track type of the track. So these are the variables when I'm creating my domain class diagram. Okay, what else I am looking for? The package. This track, the customer wait for the track to deliver their package. So now I'm looking for the package. Okay, now I'm making my own scenarios so that you may understand. I will do this one again, and then you'll put here and then you'll say this one. We talk about the package. Okay, here in the package we look at like package ID, and also we look for the package ID, the package size, and what else we look for? The package size. We think about the package, how the size of the package, what else, and then the package weights, then the package weights. So okay, another thing, the farm. We look for at the farm. Under farming we have another thing, okay, here we'll have the farm. We are looking the farm. We are looking for, sorry for small letters, I tend to forget that every time in the class should be uppercase, and here again I should uppercase, and here again I should So now I'm fixing that error sign. Track, this one should be a T. Track, this one should be package, and also this one should be the farm. So in the farm, I'm looking for a farm ID, and I'm looking for farm type of the farm. I will say type of the farm, and also the farm size, the farm size. Okay, after done with my farm, and also I'm looking for the distribution. I have a class that distributes. I would say distribution, where they will distribute the package. Where did they distribute the package? They distribute the package in the locally type of the store, shops, and other thing. What else can I look for in the distribution? I will look for. Okay, then the distribution ID. For now, I'm thinking about that. If you think about other attributes, you can include them for me. I only see 2 distributions. So what I'm gonna do, like here, I will say distributions, not distributes. Control C. I feel like distributions is okay. Distributions. Alright, I'll put distributions here. Okay, I'm done. And also now I'm writing distributions. In the distribution, I'm looking the type of the ID, distribution type, and also distribution. What else? Distribution, how they gonna distribution store. We find, okay, I find distribution type. Okay, distribution. Okay, so I think that's 2 for now. And then another thing they do, then we have the delivery. We have types of delivery. Types of delivery. It can be a shipping or anything. Types of delivery, we find that. Number 2, the delivery ID. We have another thing. We will have, think about this. Okay, yeah, I think here there are 2, and then again delivery. So let me go and fix my error again. This error, don't want you guys to eat this error. Then we have this distribution. Okay, I have another one. Here I have, okay, I have this one. Not distribution, I have delivery. delivery. Sorry if it is a wrong spelling, but delivery. Okay, what else for the delivery? In a delivery, we'll find in a delivery, I find delivery ID, the type of delivery, delivery type, how they will deliver it, type, and also deliver type. And other thing I'm looking for when I'm delivering the okay, here I am. Okay, here I'm thinking about two things that I can use in as my class. Alright, what else? Because they say then for long distance delivery they purchase shipping. This is a type of delivery. Control vehicle. This is a type of delivery. To ensure it is of the fresh. Every shipping is logged into the company digital tracking. So we have a system again. We have a system, another noun, another class. So every shipping is logged into the. We say we will have what is this? The delivery track. We have a delivery track here in the delivery. So we'll have delivery track. Delivery track. Okay, another thing I will have again for the last time is system. Here, the system. Okay, the system, and then remember the first letter of the class is the uppercase. System, and in the system I have system. I can not say system. I say system. Maybe administrator. Another thing you have to consider every time you are doing a domain class diagram. Remember this: if you are writing the name of the class or the attributes, there is no underscore, there is no space. Your word must be in the camel bed technique queue like this. Okay, also the system. Another thing, and the system, I should say system ID. What else in the system ID? What I can find by reading the scenario, say it's track. The system allow the customer and partners to monitor delivery. Oh, in the delivery you have to check the delivery time. Delivery, we have the delivery time when this package will be delivered. So I will say delivery time. Sorry for wrong spelling. Delivery time. Okay, so and then the system, they monitor how they will. Okay, fine. And then what else? The system track, the track system. Then the system track. It says log into the company digital system. Okay, this is all I get. And what else? Local distributions and delivery services. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going back to where I draw this domain diagram. Think about how they connect. What are their relationship? Okay, here I go again. Here I go. Now I wanna connect these all of this thing together. So here we are. When you are reading here, they say talking about the customer. The customer will wait for what the package. That means the customer has a relationship with the package. And also the truck is going to will deliver the refrigerated delivery truck pick up the package. That means the truck has a relationship with the package. And then good from the farm. The package is relationship with the farm and distributes them. And then a farm has a relationship with the distributes. And then they label all the grocery shop, the store, the restaurant, and the farmers markets. And also then they say the locally distant. That means here delivery has the relationship with relationship with the truck, because this one is used to deliver the truck. And also the relationship okay, then let's read for that again. So I'll say, and also the system has a relationship with a client. The only thing I didn't then the partners, I didn't write the partners. Partners has a relationship with the system. That means the client and also the partners has a relationship with the system. So okay, what I would going now I'm gonna I'm connecting all of this thing. I said the client has a relationship. The package first has a relationship with the truck, and when I read again, I found that the client has a relationship with the package, and also how they distribute. Then the truck is the one that's gonna distribute, and also how they will distribute. Then also the truck the package has the relationship with the farm, and what the truck, okay, all the now they have a relationship. And also the distribution, and then a truck is the one that delivered the package. So okay, let's connect again. And also what we find here, then the system is the one that interacts with what the client. Again, okay, this is a client that interacts with the system. And how, and then who the delivery is happened when there is a distribution. Okay, what else? We forget about the other one that we left that interacts with the system. Okay, so now we're adding, I think it was the partners. Okay, what was that? The partners at the partners. Okay, that one was interacting with okay, we find here, we say partners. Now we look for partner ID. And also we look for their name. And also, what else we'll look for? We will look for their name. Also, we're looking for what? No, I think there are two again. I will use two things. So okay, then this one is the one. Partner is also the one that interacts with the system. Now I'm looking forward to find the multiplicity. I told you before in the beginning of this tutorial, in the beginning of study with me, I said there are 4 types of multiplicity. There is this guy, I don't know what they call it, then they say it's more, it means more. We have another multiplicities, 1 to many, which is that one to many, 1 to many, 1 or many, and also I have the other one. I have 1 with 0 to 1, which are this one is either 1, 0 or 1. And also we have another multiplicity, the last one, we have 0 or many. 0 or many. This is how, these are the type, there are 4 types of multiplicity. These are the relationship. This is how you show all of this thing have a relationship. What you have to keep in mind when you are writing this, when you are connecting them, first think about how the customer interacts with a package. The customer can able to get package many times. So it may happen the package can get from, it's either I don't get the package, which is the 0, or I can get the package many times, which is, let me rewrite this thing so that you will understand. So you have to write like this. It's either the customer can get a package. It's either no package or many package I can get. Okay, you look again. How the customer can interact with the system administrator. So the customer can interact with the system administrator is either none or many times. It's optional, many times. So another way, then I'll see. Okay, how many times does the truck will move the package, distributes the package? Then the truck can distribute. It's either it's either 0 or many. And also you move again, and then how many times does the package being delivered, being distributed? I may say here 1 and also 1. So there is another one that multiplies is left, it's 1. Okay, another way, and then you ask yourself again, how many times does the farm will produce the package? Is either 0 or many. And then also the package with the farm is can be 0 1 0 or 1. and then the track, how many the track will get many packages. You have to say 0, 1, and also here we will say the track and also the package of the track. Then the track, it might happen we'll say 0 or 1, and then the partner is interacts with the system many times is 1. It's either the partner do not interact with the system or interact with the system many times, and then it's 0 or many. And also how the system, like, and then the system may interact with a partner 1 time and also 1 at a time, and this one the customer also the system can interact with a customer 1 time at a time, and also the package will receive by a customer. It might happen the customer do not receive at all the package, and or many times. So this is how I will draw my domain class diagram. Please guys, go and practice, you will be perfect. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I will see you to the next Start With Me Software Engineering. Bye.